Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to reply to a message from Sent Links on the WhatsApp app for PC, a cool new feature added in the latest update. If you often share or receive links and want to interact with them directly, this update is going to make things much easier. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons like chats, status, and calls. What you want to click on is the media icon. This is where all your shared content photos, videos, documents, and links are neatly organized. Next, select links. This tab displays every link you've sent or received in your chats. It's sorted conveniently so you can quickly find what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly through old messages. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a sort icon. Click on it and you'll get a few options on how to organize your media. Choose you. This filters the list to show only the links that you sent. Once you see the list of links you've shared, find the specific link you want to reply to. Right, click on it, and from the small menu that pops up, select Reply. A reply box will appear, just like in a normal chat window. Type your message in the box. It can be a quick note, question, or update. When you're done, click Send. That's it. You've just replied directly to a link you sent earlier, right from the media section of WhatsApp on your PC. This update makes managing your shared links much simpler. Instead of hunting through conversations to respond or continue a discussion, you can now do it all in one place with just a few clicks. Give this feature a try and see how much smoother it makes your daily chatting flow. Thanks for watching.